मुंबई महानगर पालिका वर्चुअल क्लास की ओर से आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। बच्चों, वैश्विक महामारी के चलते इस वर्ष पठन पाठन का कार्यक्रम प्रभावित हो रहा है। ऐसे में हमारी बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका ने प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी तक ऑनलाइन शिक्षण पहुंचाने की व्यवस्था की है। तो आइए बच्चों, शुरू करते हैं। Standard second. Yes, you are seeing Mathematics Standard 2. Subject is Mathematics and today's topic is Let's Handle Geometric Shapes. So students, myself C.S. Patel, Virtual Training Center, Dadar, Mumbai. Okay students, so in Semi-English Standard second, we will practice Let's Handle Geometric Shapes. Yani students, if I say in our mother tongue means बच्चों आज हम पढ़ेंगे सेमी इंग्लिश में आओ उठा कर देखे भूमिति आकार। लेट्स हैंडल ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो see on the table. Yes, so let's collect first matchstick boxes, cartoons of toothpaste, mithai, etc. Okay students, water bottles, balls of different sizes, a clown's cap and pipes made of cut paper. Yes, you are seeing on the table these things. Yes, so students, matchstick box, yes, cartoons of toothpaste, yes, you are seeing mithai, yes, etc. Mithai's box, water bottle, yes, you are seeing water bottles, balls of different sizes, yes, different sizes balls you are seeing, a clown's cap, yes, here you are seeing, and students, pipes made of card paper. See students, yes, so pipes made of card paper. So students, you are seeing right side a ball, yes, that's jumping. We will practice further. Now students, see further. So first of all, let's collect. Okay students, so let's handle geometric shapes. Yes students, you are seeing, so observe the objects on the table, separate the objects of similar shapes. So students, observe the objects on the table, separate the objects of similar shapes. So students, yes, you have to choose similar shapes object. Yes, तो बच्चों आपको क्या करना है, yes, सेपरेट करना है, सेपरेट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर शेप, जो एक जैसे आकार के जो ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, जो वस्तुएं हैं, उनको आपको क्या करना है, सेपरेट करना है. ओके, सो सेपरेट द ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ सिमिलर शेप्स. So let's collect first of all students, yes, see students on the table, matchstick boxes, cartoons of toothpaste, mithai, etc., water bottles, balls of different sizes, a clown's cap and pipes made of card paper. Now students, yes, we are practicing let's handle geometric shapes. Yes students, see students, this size, this is called cube and this is called cuboid. Okay students, yes, in our mother tongue we say this cube means ghan and to cuboid we say ghanap. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, see the images. Yes, you are seeing GIF images. Okay, so students, we will practice further. Now see, so students, we are studying let's handle geometric shapes. Yes students, cuboid are parallel piped. Yes, cuboid are parallel piped. So pick up and handle a mithai box. Students, yes, a shape such as this is called a cuboid or parallel pipe. तो बच्चों अगर हम बात करें मिठाई के डिब्बे को आप देखेंगे, तो बच्चों मिठाई के डिब्बे को आप देखेंगे, यस, तो आपको लगेगा कि आपने जो शेप लिया है, यस दैट इज कॉल्ड क्यूबाइड। तो क्यूबाइड शेप में देखेंगे उसे पैरेलल पाइप भी कहा जाता है। इन आवर मदर टंग वी से घनाभ। ओके, सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन bricks are on construction sites. Any object shaped like a brick is called a cuboid. So students, you are seeing, अगर हम बात करें बच्चों, यस कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट्स पे आपने डिफरेंट शेप्स देखे हैं। एंड इफ़ आई से अबाउट ब्रिक, उसमें से अगर ब्रिक की बात करें यानी ईंट की बात करें, इन आवर मदर टंग वी से ईंट, इन इंग्लिश वी से ब्रिक। सो यस एनी ऑब्जेक्ट शेप्ड लाइक अ ब्रिक इज कॉल्ड अ क्यूबाइड। तो बच्चों ईंट की जैसी यानी ब्रिक की जैसी जो ऑब्जेक्ट होती है उसे क्या कहते हैं? दैट इज कॉल्ड क्यूबाइड, उसे क्यूबाइड कहते हैं। सो कीप इन योर माइंड, राइट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो यस, सो in cuboid, yes we see students, in cuboid, if I say about age, yes if I say about ages, तो अगर ages की बात करें बच्चों, yes you will see ages, yes you will see 12 ages। see students, yes ages यानी core, if I say about age यानी core। so इस तरह से students you will see in a cuboid there are 12 cores, yes means 12 edges, 1 2 3 4 this side and 4, yes that side, 4 4 8, yes and 2 this side and 2 this side, 12 edges, right? Okay, so keep in your mind, right? And students, if I say about faces, yes so faces means students 6 faces। अगर हम पृष्ठ की बात करें यानी एज पृष्ठ की बात करें तो you will see 6 faces in a cuboid। and students, if I say about vertices, yes vertices means शीर्ष बिंदु, in our mother tongue we say शीर्ष बिंदु, in English we say vertices or corner, yes so students, yes so vertices are 8 means corners are 8। okay, so keep in your mind, we will practice in detail further। okay, now students, see here, let's handle geometric shapes। okay students, now see how many edges does this shape have? yes how many edges does this shape have? and students, we have discussed about that, yes in this image, in this cuboid, just like brick, yes so this is cuboid। in this cuboid we see that there are, yes if I say about edges means students, 12 edges, yes 12 edges, and corners how many corners? so corners are 8। okay students, 8 corners। okay, so vertices are 8 means corner are 8। okay, so students, now a cuboid has, so keep in your mind, a cuboid has 12 edges। so note down students, a cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners। a cuboid has 12 edges and 8 corners। okay, now students, see further, let's handle geometric shapes। okay students, yes you are seeing here, so students, see the faces। okay, so students you can count 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes so 6 faces in cuboid, you will see 6 faces। okay students, so now let's look at the faces means surfaces of a cuboid। so students, surfaces of a cuboid, they are all flat, a cuboid had 6 surfaces altogether। If we place a cuboid on a slide in park, it will slip down the slope because of its flat surface. Yes? So students, keep in your mind, a cuboid has 6 surfaces. So बच्चों अभी हमने देखा कि उसके कितने सरफेस होते हैं घनाभ के 6 यानी 6 सरफेस. ओके. सो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ हमने देखा और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं हमने जो अभी चर्चा की, राइट, जिससे इस कलर से भी आप टैली कर सकते हैं. यस, इस तरह के 2. यस, और अगर ब्लू कलर की बात करें तो ये 2 सरफेस हो जाएगा. एंड स्टूडेंट्स इस ग्रीन कलर की बात करें तो ये 2. तो इस तरह से 6 सरफेस हो गए इसके. राइट. सो अ क्यूबॉइड हैज 6 सरफेसेस altogether. And students, if we place a cuboid on a slide in a park, तो बच्चों अगर क्यूबॉइड को हम डाउन साइड किसी पार्क में स्लाइड करने के लिए रखेंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स यस इट विल स्लिप डाउन द स्लोप बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फ्लैट सरफेस. क्योंकि इसका सरफेस फ्लैट होता है इसलिए ये स्लिप करता है. ओके. सो कीप इन माइंड. नाउ सी फर्दर. Okay, let's handle geometric shapes. Students, we'll see further cone. Okay, students. So now see cone. In our mother tongue, we say Shanku. Okay. Now let's take a look at the clown's cap you have made. Okay. Its shape is called cone. Okay, students. Now see the clown's cap or joker's cap you are seeing. Yes. This cap is called, yes, in cone shape. Right, students? So its shape is called a cone. Yes, the shape like a clown's cap or fool's cap is called a cone. You are familiar with an ice cream cone and a मेहंदी cone. Okay, students? Yes. So बच्चों आपने आइसक्रीम कोन मेहंदी कोन तो देखा ही होगा. यस, देखा है ना. यस. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. सो आइसक्रीम कोन, यस, यू आर सीइंग हियर आइसक्रीम कोन. यस, एंड मेहंदी कोन. ओके. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी फर्दर. सो वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग अबाउट कोन. नाउ सी फर्दर. यस, लेट्स हैंडल ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स. ओके. नाउ let's take a look at the clown's cap you have made. Its shape is called a cone. A cone has one edge and one corner. Okay students, so cone has one edge. Okay, see, one edge, this one, and one corner. Okay, so a cone has one edge and one corner. Okay, so keep in your mind, maybe asked in your question paper. So a cone has one edge and one corner. Okay, one edge and one corner. The flat base of a cone is circular. The flat base of a cone is circular. See, the base of a cone is flat. Yes. See how the sloping surface of a cone turns continuously around. It is called a curved shape. Now students, see here. Yes, you are seeing curved surface. Yes. So students, yes, you are seeing how the sloping surface of a cone turns continuously around. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. सो यस बच्चों, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं जो हम सरफेस की बात कर रहे हैं. यस, सो इट्स कंटिन्यूसली अराउंड. इट इज कॉल्ड द कर्व्ड सरफेस. ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स सी फर्दर. वी आर प्रैक्टिसिंग. लेट्स हैंडल ज्योमेट्रिक शेप्स. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स वी विल प्रैक्टिस सिलेंडर. ओके, सिलेंडर इन आवर मदर टंग वी से lumbellan. Okay, so students, now look at the water bottle. Look at the water bottle. See here, look at the water bottle. Yes, look at the water bottle. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. यानी बच्चों ये जो बॉटल की शेप है इसे हम कहते हैं सिलेंडर. ओके, द शेप ऑफ द बॉटल इज कॉल्ड अ सिलेंडर. ओके, एंड स्टूडेंट्स यस यू आर सीइंग हियर ए जीआईएफ इमेज. अगर हम सिलेंडर की जीआईएफ इमेज के रूप में स्टूडेंट्स जो आप देख रहे हैं, सो यस यू आर सीइंग जीआईएफ इमेज सिलेंडर. यस, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स see another image, it's cylinder. Okay, cylinder, a bottle like shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. Okay, a bottle like shape which has a circular base. Okay students, yes you are seeing that the base of this image is circular. Yes बच्चों, now see, yes, circular, upside and downside. Yes you are seeing. So a bottle like shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Let's handle geometric shapes. Cylinder. Yes, we are practicing cylinder. Now look at the water bottle. The shape of the bottle is called a cylinder. A cylinder has two edges but not a single corner. Okay students, so keep in your mind, a cylinder has two edges. Yes, cylinder has two edges, right? Yes, one edge and two. So a cylinder has two edges but not a single corner. Not a single corner. Yes, the base and the top surfaces are of a cylinder are alike. Okay students, so you are seeing, yes, so top surface and this one base surface. Okay, so top surface and the base is alike. Okay, flat and circular, flat and circular. So upper side means top side, and students, yes, the base, yes, you are seeing that flat and circular, flat and circular. The turning surface between them is a curved surface. Yes, and turning surface between them, students, yes, you are seeing turning surface. Yes, this one. So the turning surface between them is curved surface. तो बीच का कैसा है? Curved है, right? Curved means in our mother tongue we say वक्र. Okay, so keep in your mind. So yes, you are seeing. So now students, see the cylinder, flat top surface. Yes, so flat top surface, you are seeing flat top surface. Okay, this one flat top surface, and students, see this one curved surface. Yes, so from here, yes, yes, all this area, yes students, you are seeing. So from, yes, upper flat top surface and down top, or we can say base, means downside base. So flat bottom surface. Okay, so this one, yes, you are seeing, this one you are seeing flat bottom surface. Okay, so in cylinder, flat top surface, curved surface and flat bottom surface. And in cylinder students, yes, has two edges but not a single corner. Okay, so keep in your mind. Now students, see further. Okay, so let's handle geometric shapes. Sphere. Sphere, in our mother tongue we see sphere. Sphere means gola. Yes, now students, a ball is said to be spherical. A ball is said to be spherical. Sphere, a shape like a ball is called a sphere. No part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. Thus, a sphere has only a curved surface. Okay, so no part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. Thus, see students, see different sizes balls. Yes, you are seeing balls, and ball's shape is sphere. See students, this is a ball, and students, you are seeing that yes, its shape is spherical. A ball is said to be spherical. Okay, so keep in your mind, a shape like a ball is called sphere. No part of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. Thus, a sphere has only a curved surface. Okay, now see further. Now match the pairs. Yes, see students, left side shape and right side name of the shape. So just try to match the pairs. So yes, so first of all, left side, student, this side means number 1. You are seeing that yes, it try to identify. Yes, this is cuboid. So first one is cuboid. So you have to match. First one is cuboid. Second one, yes, sphere. Yes, second one, sphere. Just like ball. Okay. And number 3, students, yes, this is cylinder. This is cylinder, number 3. And number 4 is cone. Number 4 is cone. Yes, so keep in your mind. Now see further. Now rolling objects. Now students, see rolling objects means yes, you are seeing rolling objects. Okay, so keep in your mind rolling objects, right? So just like rolling. And sliding objects, see students, sliding objects. Okay, keep in your mind sliding objects. Now students, let's handle geometric shapes. Handle the objects shown below. Observe and write how many edges and corners each object has. Okay, yes students, so yes, you are seeing first one is cuboid. So we will see first cuboid. Now in cuboid, how many edges? And students, you know, in cuboid there are 12 edges. And in cuboid, how many corners are there? And yes students, 8 corners are there. Okay, number 2, this one is cone. In cone, yes, how many edges are there? 1. And how many corners are there? 1. So in cone, we see 1 edge and 1 corner. Okay, let's see the third image, and that is cylinder. Okay, so in cylinder, 2 edges and 0 corner. 2 edges and 0 corner. And last one, you are seeing sphere. In sphere, yes, we see 0 edges and 0 corners. Okay students, so keep in your mind, in cuboid we see 12 edges, 8 corners. In cone we see 1 edge and 1 corner. And in cylinder we see 2 edges and 0 corner. And in sphere we see 0 edges and 0 corner. Okay students, so keep in your mind. Now see further. Okay students, so let's handle geometric shapes. Say which of the objects in the pictures will slide, which ones will roll. Okay students, Now students, you can see here this one cuboid, and students you are seeing that flat surface. Yes, so this cuboid, yes, will slide. Yes, because of downside in the park. Yes, so yes, you can see here we have practiced this one, and this is sphere, this is spherical because this is ball, and yes students, this will roll. Okay, so students, in our mother tongue you have to see yes which object will slide and which one will roll. तो बच्चों आपको ये देखना है कि इसमें कौन सी ऑब्जेक्ट जो है वो स्लाइड करेगी, अर्थात स्लाइड का मतलब खिसकना, खिसकेगी, एंड कौन रोल करेगी। रोल करने का मतलब बच्चों यस, जो जैसे बाल मूव करती है, रोल करते हुए, लुढ़कते हुए चलती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रोल। ओके, सो कीप इन योर माइंड, राइट। See the next image, see here this one, this boy is rolling, this boy is rolling the tire, so yes this will roll. Okay, and see here students, see the slope, and this is the slope here, and so this image is rolling, and while this image is sliding. Okay students, so this image is rolling and this image is sliding. Okay, so keep in your mind, right students, so work hard, we will meet later. Okay students, बच्चों बृहन मुंबई महानगर पालिका के इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लीजिए। तो बच्चों हम उम्मीद करते हैं यहाँ तक आपने समझ लिया है, आगे फिर मिलेंगे, आज के लिए इतना ही, थैंक यू वेरी मच।